Oh, hey guys, how's it going? Well, so today's gonna be kind of an unexpected fishing mission. I always stay locked and loaded, ready to go. Had rods in the truck, tackle here, all geared up. Um, my sweetie, unfortunately, had a motor vehicle accident today. A bit worse than a fender bender. She's okay though. For you guys that are worried, you'd be happy to hear that she's okay. She was rear-ended on the highway and she spun out in traffic and ended up facing the opposite way on the median across from the. And it was a bunch of mess anyway. Thank God she's okay though. So I had to go and pick her up and bring her to work. And just so happens they have two ponds, lakes, or whatever you want to call them, on their property. Uh, and you know, me being the opportunist that I am, I'm gonna go out here and dangle. So I got a bit of a walk from the parking garage to the lakes, according to the map here. So, but I gotta get to it. I gotta get to it. I mean, I drive way out here. There's water to be fished, and I gotta fish it, right? Only makes sense. Haven't had the best of times thus far, and I just basically, literally threw away an expensive lure. Um, Only thing that's gonna make me feel better is to catch some fish, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna throw on this $1 Walmart spinnerbait, and hopefully I'll wear them out at little cost. If I don't catch any fish, this might be the last time you guys hear from me. So farewell. Goodbye. Oh, he got off. Hey, he ain't much, but he's something. I'm happy to have caught him. But he literally attacked this thing and got off when he got up here. Hey, at least that means y'all gonna keep seeing me, right? At least I ain't gonna be out of there. Let's keep going. I almost fell in the water right there, guys. He finally took off. Yep. He followed it right up to the bank. He followed it right up to the bank. Ow. Followed it right up to the bank and crushed it. That's number 2 for us. Ooh. They ain't very big today, but I'll take them. They are fighting with aggression, I tell you that. They're not very big, but they mean business. I picked the right corner because this is where the fish are hanging out at. And I knew this was where they would be hanging out at. But it's also the corner that the wind is blowing into, and it's hard for me to cast. So it's kind of get what you can get, take what you can take situation. Whoa, we got a big one coming. Whoa, 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 whoa. Woo-choo. Oh, he got off. He got off. He was a big one, guys. I got him right up to the bank. He got off further than I wanted to step into the water to get him. I could have got him. I just didn't want to get my ankles wet. I could have just walked out there and got him. Ah. Let's see if he comes back. I was worried he was gonna break my line. Man, I hope that ain't my last fish of the day. I think I'm gonna switch baits on him. They seem to have had enough of that spinner bait, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw a crank on. Against my better judgment, but I'm gonna do it anyway. I ain't got much more time out here. I'm really mad that that big one got away. Like I said, he was right there. I could have took a few steps forward and pulled him out of the water, but I didn't want to get my ankles wet. So it is what it is. I'm gonna go at it with a crank, and I guess we'll wrap this video up after that. They not wanting the crankage. Maybe they forgotten about this guy by now. Or maybe I should throw a different color. Let's see if I get bit the first time out. Now I'm gonna throw a different color on. I want to say I appreciate you guys for rocking with me, man, this whole time.
And I never really said that before, but if you made it this far and you're still watching, go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate you guys for watching. You know, this is kind of just for fun to me, but I like it to turn into something more. Man, guys, I got so excited about that fish. I was already thinking about the pictures I was going to take with that fish a minute ago. But I guess I wasn't excited enough to go down in the water and get him, so it's a moot point at this point. Or at this juncture, I should say. Anyway, I'm going to throw on this swim bait. It's got a chartreuse tail on it. I guess it's been dyed from landing against something else, but it was all white. Let's see if I can get one more before it's time to go. See, guys, I knew they wouldn't resist this thing. He tried to choke it. I knew it would be only a matter of time before they got to biting on this one. Actually, my second cast with that thing, man. See if I can catch another one before I get up out of here. Let's get a release on him, man. Hopefully I'll catch a bigger one. Woo! Well, guys, today was such an emotional day. Had some highs, had some lows, and but that's why fishing is such a great sport, man. You win some, you lose some, but you live. You live to fight another day, man. No, but honestly, man, quick recap. Caught a bunch of little ones, and then one big one that I was already thinking about taking pictures with that fish before I got him in, and he got off right at like 2 feet away from me. I could have took 2 steps forward, bend over, and pick him up, because he was stuck in the brush too. So he couldn't just swim away real fast. So I could have just got down there and got him, but I didn't want to get my shoes wet, all up to my ankles. So I just opted not to. But like I say, you win some, you lose some. And until next time, man, I just hope y'all stay tuned with me, man. Stay tuned with me. Keep watching. You know, like I said, like and subscribe. Pepper up that like button. And invite your friends to come and watch some, man. I mean, I might not know what I'm doing a lot of times, but hey, comment. Tell me what I'm doing wrong. Tell me if I'm funny. Tell me if I'm stupid. Probably be stupid. But whatever the case, man. And like I always say, never let up, y'all.